My name is Arttur Kulvik. I'm the CEO of Solnet Group. We are a specialized EPC coming originally from Finland, currently present in Finnish, Dutch and German markets and opening up our subsidiary in Poland for this year. We focus on smart solar and high quality components as our customer base is pretty much, we do B2B and our customer base is institutionals largely. We have been working with AEROCOMPACT since 2014. There are quite a few good quality options at the same price range available. The main reason why we work with AEROCOMPACT is their support and quality of engineering. So the kind of pre-sale phase, project execution and after sales support that we receive from AEROCOMPACT is on a level that we don't receive from other vendors, and that is really why we focus and concentrate on using AEROCOMPACT products where we always can.